Okay, so I'm currently welding in these frame connectors, but in the meantime, while some of these welds are cooling down, I started working on this, I think they're called floor pan reinforcement plates. So started on that one. I still have to get this one off. Normally, as you can see, it comes all the way out here. On this, it's not there. So when I did the floor pan, I just cut right up this line and just cut this off with intentions of putting a new piece on. So I have the new piece. It's right here. And yeah, so we're gonna get this one cut out, or drilled out really. They're just spot welded on. So we'll drill those out, get it off, and then we'll set it up just like this one. Okay, so the way I like to do this, so I'll find where my spot welds are at. Use a center punch on them. So we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 spots, and maybe a little weld on the side here, and looks like on the top too. So I'll mark that also. And we'll put one right there. What I'm gonna do is use a small drill bit and just kind of open up the hole a little bit, enough to where I can get a big drill bit on it so it won't walk. And then we'll kind of like halfway drill through it, kind of just start it, and then we'll use a spot weld cutter. So I don't really like using this. I mean, it still wants to walk. So the way I do it, it doesn't really walk on me. Sometimes it will, just depending on the angle. But for the most part, the way I do it works pretty good. All right, next step I'm gonna do, I got this plate right here, the one that we took off, and I just have it clamped down following the outline of the new plate. Make sure it's in the same spot. And then I'm gonna take the same drill bit I used to make this hole, and it's gonna mark the center for me. So I'll do that to all holes, I'll drill them out. And then for the top ones, I don't really have it, and I guess it doesn't really matter. You can make your own holes if you want, wherever you want to. You can go around the border, doesn't matter. I'm gonna make mine just like I did on the bottom over here. We'll do 3 up this way. We'll do 1, 2, and then 3 down. Okay, so now these holes I already have set up and ground down and whatever. I don't really want to take this coating out underneath. So, well, to a degree, where we're gonna weld at, I will. But basically, this is where it's gonna stay. I'm gonna use this to mark where our holes are at on the back panel. Okay, both sides are lined up now. I believe so. Let's see. 2 3/4. 2 3/4. All right. Just gonna make sure that didn't move on me. Still good. All right, so next thing I'm gonna do is just weld this in place. It almost seems like this plate needs to go up. This is actually a 1/4 inch down further than this side, but this is where it was at factory. We're not moving anything, so yeah, it'll be all right. I mean, this is literally only reinforcing this piece. It's the whole point of it, so it's gonna be all right. I'm just gonna weld it where it's at, no big deal. We'll just have to hammer this down and profile it some. There's nothing else that really goes in this area anyway, so that's where it's going. beautiful day today. Got the eclipse coming. Check that out later, but for now, we're gonna finish this up. We're just gonna take a flap disc and smooth everything out. We'll sand it with 80 grit, and then sometime later we'll put some epoxy primer top coat on it. So I'm using a 46 grit disc for this. Alright, so this one was easy peasy. Stupid easy. Maybe took me like 2 hours. I already had half the panel cut off, so just drilling out some spot welds, take the new plate off. Then we prep both the surface that we're going to be welding onto and the actual plate itself. And that's it. You just slap it back on, you know, put some holes in it, and weld it together. So I love jobs like this. It makes it feel like I'm going faster with how much I'm getting done on the car. You know, stuff like this. It overall looks better. I'm adding stuff to it, and it doesn't take much long at all. So yeah, pretty happy with that. Thanks for watching.